Mihira, have you finished the weekly report yet? We need to finalize it before the end of the day.
Almost done, Dr. Martin. I've completed the patient consultations and immunization data. I'm just double-checking the chronic disease management figures.
Great. Let's go over the prescription trends. We've seen a spike in antibiotic prescriptions. We need to ensure appropriate use to prevent antibiotic resistance.
Yes, I noticed that too. I've flagged some patients for potential overprescribing. We might need to review their cases.
Good thinking. Also, the blood pressure checks are lower than expected this week. We should encourage more patients to attend their regular screenings.
I'll add that to the report. We can include a reminder on the patient information leaflets.
Excellent. Mihira, once you've finished, let's schedule a meeting to discuss the key findings and plan any necessary actions. Mihira, I completely understand your concern about your mother's leg strength and your worry about falls. It's very thoughtful of you. We absolutely want to help her regain her strength safely and steadily. One of the most important things we can encourage is for her to move around a little more each day. Even if it's just getting out of bed and sitting in a chair for a bit, or walking a few steps with support. We can gradually increase the amount she moves each day, listening to her body and ensuring she doesn't feel too tired or unsteady. Short, gentle walks are excellent, even if it's just from one room to another at first. We can slowly increase the distance as she feels stronger and more confident. It's all about small, consistent progress rather than pushing too hard too soon. Our physiotherapist has also recommended some specific gentle exercises that can really target those leg muscles. These might include sit-to-stands, where she practices moving from a seated position to standing and back down, using support if needed. Heel raises, where she gently lifts up onto her toes and then lowers back down, can help strengthen her calf muscles, which are important for balance. Another helpful exercise could be stepping up onto a low step, just a few inches high, and then stepping back down. These exercises are designed to be low impact but effective in building strength and stability. We can show you exactly how to support her with these and ensure she's doing them correctly and safely. To help us tailor the best support for your mother, could you tell me a little about her living situation? Does she live alone at home? Knowing this will help us understand what level of assistance she might have available and how we can best support her recovery in her home environment.